I'll show you the official step-by-step method to create a Discord account on your browser or desktop application, how to bypass registration glitches, and how to instantly set up your first community server. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get into the fix. Setting up a Discord account seems simple, but if you mix up your display name and your username, you'll end up giving out the wrong contact info to your friends. Even worse, if you skip one mandatory security step right at the start, Discord's automated antibot system will permanently lock you out before you even send a single message. To get started on a browser, head over to discord.com. You have two options here. You can use Discord directly inside your web browser, or you can download the official desktop app. If you are using Discord for gaming or live streaming, it's better to download the desktop app. It significantly reduces system latency and allows you to use push-to-talk hotkeys even when your game is in full-screen mode. Whichever you choose, click the Login button in the top right corner. On the sign-in page, look right below the login boxes and click the blue link that says Register. This next screen is where most new users get confused because Discord requires two different types of names. First, enter a valid email address. Next is your display name. This is your friendly nickname. It can contain capital letters, spaces, and symbols, and you can change it whenever you want. Below that is your username. This is your unique global identifier, which can be used by your friends to search for and find your personal profile to add you as a friend. It must be completely lowercase, contain no spaces, and cannot match anyone else on Earth. If your name is taken, add dots or underscores until the red error text disappears. Create a strong password, enter your date of birth, note that you must be at least 13 years old to use the platform, and click Continue. Complete the quick HCAPTCHA picture test to prove you aren't a robot. Once you solve the CAPTCHA, your new dashboard will load. Do not close out of the app just yet. Look at the top of your screen, you will see a banner prompting you to verify your account. Immediately open your email inbox, open the message from Discord, and click our Verify email. If you skip this step and start joining public servers right away, Discord's security backend will flag your account as a spam bot and autoban your IP address. You can also use their built-in templates to launch your own gaming or study server in seconds. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best gaming video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.